Oh my god, it can also cover my chin. So big, guys. Like, oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Today we are doing another video that is so exciting. So you guys, I'm not sure if you have noticed that I've been not uploading a lot of makeup or anything that has to do with my face lately. That is because my face is not doing well. Today I'm taking a risk to review the one and only if you don't know YOLZ channel, I'm not sure if you know her. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, you are missing out, guys. YOLZ, aka YOLZ channel, has a brand, or let's say a beauty company. Yeah, she's got a beauty company called YOLZ Beauty, and she released her masks that we're going to review today, and everything is in here, guys. Like, so let me just do the unboxing. Is it unboxing if it's not in a box? I don't know. Oh my god. Ow. I just want you guys to see everything, and you know, like, this has never happened to me. Look at this, guys. I don't think I've ever received a packaging like this. Like, I never thought, because who am I? Like, it doesn't happen. Like who am I, guys, to receive something like this? I feel like, guys, black and this YOLZ beauty going on. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Can you see? Like, I just feel so expensive. I feel loved, you know, guys. Like, she did that, guys. She did it, and I'm gonna keep it for myself. So now I'm just gonna open. So like, it's just like, it's like an envelope, but a thick envelope. Like, I think I'm gonna keep this, guys. Like, I have to make sure. Something fell. What is it? What is it? I don't know if you guys can see. It comes with a love letter. Is it a love letter? Yeah. Oh my god, and she signed it. I'm gonna die today. Like, I feel so special. You guys don't understand. I feel so special. Like, as a customer, like, you hardly get things like this. Like, I love the fact that even people like us, you just feel like you are rich. Like, I feel like I'm rich right now. So here's what the letter is saying. It says, thank you for your first purchase of our HUNIE HYDRATE range. Put your feet up, mask on, and indulge in some self-pampering. XOXO YOLZ. My god, guys. Like, so inside the beautiful bag we have masks, some sheet mask, YOLZ beauty sheet mask. It's 22 grams of product, and it's called HUNIE HYDRATE Trio, and it looks something like that. So let me just, because it's in a bag, like, oh guys, it's even sealed. I feel like the time that she took to do her product is remarkable. Like, I feel like she's really taking care of us. I feel like she loves us so much, and she loves her work. So I love that. I love to see that. Like, I love quality. Okay, so inside we've got 3 masks. So we've got the YOLZ Beauty. We've got the Soothing Aloe, which is the green one. The aloe, I love aloe. And we've got the Moisturizing Avocado. It looks something like that. The other one is Brightening. This one is for dark marks and uneven skin tone. So all 3 masks, you guys, retail for 125, and I bought the trio. You have an option to choose any selection that you want. They also have instructions at the back, and also some information that you might want to read, and that is that. Can we also talk about this ladies matching with the flavors of the packaging, guys? Amazing. Already, you guys, by squeezing into the pocket, I can feel a lot of moisture, which is, I feel like the HUNIE HYDRATE part of these masks are convincing me to actually apply this mask. So the avocado one, guys, is for thirsty skin. Going to hydrate. So the ingredients in this one, I'm not sure if they have the same ingredients. It's aqua, glycerin, woo, and a lot of chemistry, which I don't know what this is. Caprylic, whatever, guys. Triglycerin. Yeah, butylene glycol, phenols, ethanol, I don't know guys if I should be doing this for you. I don't think I'm the great candidate. I hate school. Okay, guys, you know, I'll just put everything on the screen for you guys to see the you can see the ingredients, because I know most of you guys probably check the ingredients before you buy a product. So here are the ingredients, you guys, at the back if you're interested on reading. So one thing that stood out for this product for me is that it has no perfume, it has no color, it has no parabens, it has natural ingredients, and I was so excited about that. So now I'm just gonna concentrate on the YOLZ Beauty Soothing Aloe Hydrate Honey Acne Prone Sensitive Skin, which is the yes, sensitive skin. So that is because, guys, first of all, I'm struggling with acne right now and I have sensitive skin, and I don't know if I'm doing the right decision, but we'll see. This mask claims to be suitable for all skin types. It provides 24-hour nourishment, it leaves skin moisturized, and it's a soothing single use shit, guys. So now, you guys, I'm going to just rinse my face with water only, because that's what I do in the morning. Because, guys, when I say my face literally wants nothing, like it itches, so in the morning I just try to, you know, just rinse and pat dry, because it's painful, guys. Like acne is depressive, guys. Like, it's so painful, so I try my best to sort of wash my face, but I really don't feel like washing my face lately. But anyways, let me go and with some water, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So now, right now, I'm just gonna open the mask. It has like it has a thingy, guys, yeah, that thing to open with at the side, and I'm just gonna do that. I feel like there's like I've got a lot of lighting with me, so I'm just gonna open it, guys. As I open, I can already see a lot of moisture inside. Like, my face is longing for that. Usually, guys, when I put any product at this moment, my face gets itchy, like it gets super itchy. So I tend to not use any product at all. So I'm hoping this product doesn't make me feel so itchy. So I'm just gonna like unfold, guys. It's so there's a lot of moisture. Like, some moisture is actually literally dropping on the floor. Is it dropping or dripping? I don't want to really touch this a lot. Like, so moisturized, guys. My hands are literally wet. Okay, let me get the eyes. Maybe I need to take my thingy up a little bit. Come on. Oh my god, it can also cover my chin. So big, guys. Like, oh. Okay, I think I missed my nose. Okay, let's go up. I guess I have a small face. Guys, first impression is that it's, of course, one size fits all. No matter how big your face is, I swear this thing will fit you. Okay, more especially if you have a big nose. Another thing, I was expecting it to actually, because with other products, you guys, like, usually I itch a lot. With this product, guys, none whatsoever. Like, I understand when she says acne prone skin, I agree with her. And my face, oh, I should stop touching my face at this moment, guys. I don't think I'm doing it the fancy way, but anyways, excuse me. So it actually covers my chin as well. It's super big, it's hydrating. Like, my face is not itching at all, guys. Like, I'm still waiting for the itchiness. I'm still waiting for that. All I am feeling is, you know guys, when you like have a wet cloth full of water and you put it on your face and then you put a little bit of fan, it's like, you see that cooling sensation that I'm having. I think I look weird. I should just stop talking, but anyways. So it's been more than 20 minutes, I think. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do that, but you guys, so I'm just gonna take everything off, and then what am I supposed to do after per instruction? Wear approximately 15 to 20 minutes, remove mask, do not rinse, pat excess serum into, guys, I nearly went, like I nearly rinsed everything. Thank God I read that. So you're not supposed to wash your face after. So what I'm going to do now is just to remove the mask and then show you guys how I'm looking. So far, you guys, I really don't want to take this mask off because I really still feel good. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to leave it for more than that. But anyways, let's follow some instructions and continue with the video. So right now, I'm just going to remove. So, woo! Oh my god, can you guys see how glowy my skin is? I'm loving the hydration. Like my face really feels hydrated. Usually guys, as I said, I have a really dry skin and I have acne and I have everything going on with my face, and this mask I think I'm approving. Like do I even have the powers to do that? But yes, I do, because I put some cleansing in it. Okay. But anyways, you guys, really, so my final thoughts on this product. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I feel like, can't you see the glow? Can't you? Like, I feel like already my skin is hydrated. Like, I don't, for me who really don't want to touch their face, I feel like it's already done a lot. On my skincare routine, I have a lot of moisturizing and hydrating to do, like, and I use different products, but I feel like with this one already my face is hydrated. I don't really need to go with my hydrating serum, so that is great for me. Guys, I'm not even exaggerating because she's YOLZ. Like guys, I'm telling you the truth, this is really I'm in love with this. And again, another thing that I'm gonna say is that ordering, guys, I ordered before 12, before she launched it, so I was the gang, I was the honeys. Guys, I literally went in, I was expecting that I'm not gonna be able to click and order too quickly, so I actually ordered, and just like that my money was gone. Immediately when I say check out imali, God, that's how easy everything was, guys, honestly. Like, okay, so the ordering process was really great. I didn't have a problem at all. Everything was fine. And then delivery, guys, can you guys believe that I ordered this week? Like, I was not even expecting this delivery, actually, guys. Like, I was like, you know, I'm gonna receive it probably next week. I'm not even, like, I didn't even check my emails, only to find that they said I'm gonna receive my package as in like yesterday. So so I'm yet to try the other two more products, which I still think they're so great for people like me who have acne. So if you can see, this one is the avocado one is the moisturizing one, which I really need in my skin, and the other one is the brightening one, which I really love. I feel like for my scars as well, I tend to actually go in with a brightening product that is gonna like enlighten my scars, something like that. I still feel like I'm gonna enjoy this range at all, and I am happy with where my coins went. Like, I'm really happy. Like, you can eat everything, just take all my money, girl. Take it, take, okay. So that is it from this video. Yes guys, I know I'm still in my gown. That is because now it's like 6 o'clock. I already feel alive. I feel like my day is gonna be so wonderful today. I feel like this revived me a lot, and I feel like I'm super excited, more especially because, you know, I love seeing black women, more especially black South African women, win. I'm so excited, you guys. So that is it from this video, and I just want to say congratulations to YOLZ on her new beauty range. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button. Also click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also leave a comment if you want to say anything or any videos that you want me to review. Also, please don't forget that I upload every Tuesday and every Friday, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.